So if you're Canadian, let me know what you are making for Thanksgiving, which is a week from now. I have no idea what to make, so give me some ideas. Let me know what you're making. Comment down below. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Jennie here. So today I wanted to demo my quick 5-minute makeup tutorial because, like, let's put it out there, in real life, who's got time? Whether you may be a mother, whether you woke up late for work, or you know, you're just caught up doing stuff like running errands and you just don't have time, but you have to look presentable. So yeah, I am here to demo what I do, and I can do this in 5 minutes. I found that the trick to doing quick makeup in 5 minutes is to actually find product that can do what you need to do in a quick amount of time. So yeah, if you want to know my quick makeup tutorial, please keep watching. Okay, so first, want to say I'm not sponsored. I love the Kevin Aucoin foundation. Like, I find a majority of my makeup, what the hell am I saying? I found a foundation that takes half the time to apply, which is really important. So my holy grail foundation so far, and I will do a review on this, is the Kevin Aucoin foundation. I'm in color medium FB08. I can apply this foundation and cover my whole face in like seconds. Whereas before, when I used liquid foundation, it took me a while to put it on. It probably took like a good 10 minutes in my makeup routine, which, let's be truthful, I don't have nowadays. So yeah, I'm just applying it with the brush. Doesn't take me long to do. Up next, I put on my NARS concealer in medium ginger 2. I put some on my ring finger, and I just apply it all over my eyes just to cover any dark circles that I may have. Then I take my setting powder and my fluffy brush, and I'm not kind with it. Like, I just take my brush, I stick it in the powder, and I put it all over my face. And most of the time, yes, there's a big cloud of setting powder all over my face, but I really don't care. I have oily skin, so I find the more powder I put on, the better the oil holds, or the oil doesn't come out as soon. Next, I am taking the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. I just take my brush and I fill in my brows. If I really don't have time, then I'll just use a quick pencil, but I couldn't find my pencil, so I just use the brow powder. I find that the powder takes a little bit longer than the pencil to fill in. Okay, up next, I'm curling my eyelashes. If you have a little bit of time, I normally would put on eyeliner. Haven't put on eyeliner in such a long time because eyeliner does take me a long time to do. So I usually skip that step. And I put on my mascara. You'll see me using the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I use the primer first. I normally don't use the primer, but this is just what I had in front of me, so I figured I would use the primer. And then, of course, after that, I would use the mascara. I do put a few coats of mascara on, more towards the ends of my eyelashes, because I feel like it just makes them look thicker, and I prefer volume more than I do length. Then I take a bronzing powder, any random bronzing powder. I do prefer a matte bronzing powder. I just put it on my forehead just because I am a woman of color. Naturally, my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, so because I'm going for the natural look, I have to put brown bronzer on my forehead, and if I have any extra, I'll put it on my cheeks. Then I take my go-to pink blush, whatever blush that is. I don't remember. I believe it's Well Dressed by MAC. I'll even use the same brush and I put that on my cheeks. And then after that, I put on lip liner and lipstick, and there you have it. That is my 5-minute makeup routine. Now, if you don't have time, if I really don't have time, then I'll just put on lip gloss. But for this video, I decided to put on lipstick just because I really haven't worn lipstick in a while and I miss it. That's the truth. And there you have it. That is my 5-minute makeup routine. If you want more quick makeup tips or anything like that, give me a thumbs up. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below. Or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me on my last video, it's right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.